Hi, this is Katie. I'm on Fire Island with my mommy. Fire Island is the barrier island south of Long Island. So it's like Long Island, then the bay, then Fire Island, then the ocean. So we are at the Atlantic Ocean right now. It's my mom's birthday, so we are here hanging out for a little bit. Mama, you want to say hi?
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit. I did a Fire Island vlog last year, but we usually come once a year, so I figured I would just do an updated one. I mean, it looks the same, but you know, stuff. I got new sunglasses and a new hat, so that's new. I hope you can hear me. We're pretty close to the water, so I know it's loud. But I took a little bit of footage of the ferry ride over here and a little bit of footage of the ocean, so here's some stuff. Hi, Mommy. Whose birthday is it?
Yours.
No. Is this your favorite place? I don't know if this can hear you. It's so loud. This is our view right now. This is all our stuff. I have an umbrella because I'm really not supposed to be out in the sun. But, you know, Mommy loves the sun, so she doesn't want to be under the umbrella.
Oh, I have to get a picture of you and your umbrella.
Okay. Hi, Mommy. This is my umbrella and my hat. I don't think it can hear me. It can hear you, though. You talk.
Here's Katie under her beautiful umbrella.
That's it. That's it. And that is it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not. I put out videos every Tuesday and sometimes Friday for the rest of the summer. And that is it. I love you, Jesus loves you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. I hope you could hear that. I really, really hope you could hear that.